The Aberystwyth Business School has an excellent reputation for the quality of its teaching, learning environment, and the cultural experience it offers its students. Our exciting and workplace-relevant degree schemes are highly regarded by both students and employers.
It's your university, so demand the most from it.
Our degree schemes attract recognition from a range of professional bodies. We are also an accredited CIM Graduate Gateway Centre, which means that you can study towards a CIM qualification while studying for a degree or gain exemptions on CIM modules. Aberystwyth is a lovely university town and a home from home to 9,000 students. With over 200 clubs and societies to choose from, there is plenty of ways to keep yourself busy. Throughout the year, the vibrant town is filled with students from around the world or buzzing with tourists enjoying Aberystwyth sights, creating a cosmopolitan feel to this Welsh seaside town. Aberystwyth Business School offers degrees in accounting and finance, adventure tourism management, business and management, business economics, marketing, tourism management. Our staff have an academic and business background, teaching you the latest developments in your subject and pass on practical awareness of the business environment.
I loved studying and living in the stunning town of Aber. And the opportunity to take part in the Year in Employment scheme meant I could mix the student life with an insightful corporate one. The transition from campus to career has been a really smooth one, and I'm now on my way up the career ladder. Next stop is the boardroom of my own business.